First, this is the shaking image. The first step is going to the effect panel. You search for warp stabilizer. Drag the effect to your footage. Once you drag it to your footage, you allow it to analyze. You can check the process by checking the effect control. So the process now it's going. This is the process here. Very easy. Just drag and drop and let the AI do the magic. So stabilizing now. So let's play again. That's it. My image is now stabilized. That's all. If you like the video, subscribe for more. Thank you.